Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in my previous video I have explained you many more things which are very important that you also know, which are very important for your exams and all. So in my previous video I have explained you regarding the solar system, regarding the EU, regarding the planets, uh, regarding the division of the planets. Okay, so in this video I'm especially gonna give you information regarding the earth, okay, regarding the planet earth. So we all know that in the solar system there are 8 planets. Okay, so in my previous video also I have explained you about the solar system and the 8 planet consisting which includes in the solar system. So out of those 8 planet, one of the planet is earth, and the center of the solar system is sun, and the first planet which is after the sun. Okay, the first planet after the sun is um, Mercury, then after comes Venus, and then after comes earth. So so in my previous video I have even displayed you the image of the solar system. So from that image you all can make out, or you all can know that earth is the third planet from the sun. Okay, from the sun. And earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Earth is the densest planet in the solar system. And earth, the solar system. Okay, there are 8 planets in the solar system, and those eight planets, they are categorized, they are segregated into two divisions. Okay, they are segregated into two divisions on the basis of their characteristics, and those division is Jovian planet and a terrestrial planet. 8 planets are categorized into Jovian planet and terrestrial planet, and I have given you the information regarding what is terrestrial planet and what is Jovian planet in my previous video. You all can, if you want to know what is terrestrial planet and what is Jovian planet, you all can take a look at my previous video. uh, so 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 in terrestrial planet there are 4 planets. Okay, under terrestrial planet includes 4 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So this Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, they are 4 terrestrial planets. So out of these 4 terrestrial planet, Earth is the largest one. Earth is the largest planet out of 4 terrestrial planets. So now let us study about the composition of the Earth. The Earth consists of water body and land. Okay, water body and land. 70%, 71 percentage of Earth consists of water bodies, and remaining 29 percentage of Earth consists of only land. So the maximum percentage of Earth is Earth comprises of water body only, whereas minimum percentage of uh, Earth consists of land. So that is the reason why Earth is also known as blue planet. Why Earth is known as blue planet? Because the Earth maximum, a maximum percentage of Earth. Okay, maximum component that is there in Earth is water. That is 71% of Earth comprises water, and 29% of Earth comprises land. So this is the region 29% of Earth comprises land, and 71 percentage of Earth comprises water. So this is the reason why Earth is also known as blue planet. So now let us uh, see some of the specialities of the Earth. Okay, so Earth, the highest elevation on the Earth. Okay, the highest point on the Earth is Mount Everest. I think you all have heard about this mountain, Mount Everest. It's one of the world's largest mountain. Okay, it is the one of the world's largest mountain. Okay, which is on the land. Okay, so highest elevation, the highest point on the earth. Okay, the highest point on the earth is Mount Everest, and the height of the Mount Everest is 8848 meter. Okay, and Mount Everest is situated in which continent? In Asia continent. Okay, so you know, the though Mount Everest is considered as one of the highest, okay, though Mount Everest is considered highest mountain in the world, okay, but there is another highest mountain which is taller than Mount Everest. Okay, though Mount Everest is considered tallest mountain in the world, still there is another uh, tallest mountain in the world, and the tallest mountain on the earth. Okay, that tallest mountain, taller than the Mount Everest, is Mauna Kea, and in another word, we call it Hawaii. It is its height is 10204 meter. So okay, though Mauna Kea is taller than Mount Everest, but why still Mount Everest is considered highest and tallest mountain? Because you know, Mauna Kea's the mountain Mauna Kea, or Hawaii's, half of the portion is half of the portion is just under the water. Okay, under the water. The half of the portions of the mountain Hawaii or Mauna Kea is under the water body, under the sea. Which sea? Which ocean? Pacific Ocean. Okay, so Mauna Kea is in Pacific Ocean. Okay, Mauna Kea is in Pacific Ocean. So Mauna Kea's, the mountain Mauna Kea's, half of the portion um, is synced under the water body. So that's the reason why Mauna Kea is not considered tallest mountain in the world, though it is taller than the Mount Everest. Okay, so deepest point in the ocean is Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench is the deepest point in the ocean, and it is in Pacific Ocean. And let me remind you once again, okay, the mountain Mauna Kea or Hawaii is also in Pacific Ocean. Okay, so I hope you all understood why Mauna Kea is, though Mauna Kea is taller than Mount Everest, why it is not considered highest, why it is not counted as tallest mountain in the world. I hope you all understood this thing. So atmosphere, let us know little bit about the earth atmosphere. Okay, let us get some information, little information regarding the earth's atmosphere, but it is not little, it is very important one. Okay, you all should know these things. So atmosphere, okay, the earth's atmosphere contains some of the gases. Okay, and which are those gases? Nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Okay, earth, okay, earth's atmosphere comprises nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. And which is the maximum amount of gas that is present in earth's atmosphere? That is nitrogen. 78 percentage of nitrogen is present in earth's atmosphere, and 21% of oxygen is present in earth's atmosphere, and 1% okay, 1% comprises argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. So I hope I have given this information in my previous video also. So once again, let us know uh, the about earth's atmosphere. Okay, the earth's atmosphere comprises 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and 1% of argon, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Okay, so um, you know about the motions of the earth. I have given you the gist regarding the motions of the earth in my previous video. So there are two motions of the earth. I have mentioned you these things in my previous video, that those two motions are rotation and revolution. Rotation means the spinning. Okay, when the earth spin, okay, when the earth spins on its axis, That particular motion is called rotation. And when the earth, okay, when the earth moves around the sun on its orbit, that particular motion is called revolution. So now rotation, the time taken by the earth to uh, to to take one rotation, okay, the time taken by the earth to take one rotation or to spin 360-degree is 23 hour 56 minutes. That means it is somewhat 24 hours. Okay, so we count this as one day. Okay, so this when the earth rotates 360-degree, okay, that particular one rotation is also called earth day. Okay, so rotation time taken by the earth to take one rotation or to spin 360 degrees 23 hour 56 minute. Okay, and revolution, okay, the time taken by the earth to take one revolution is 1 year. That means 365 days, 5 hour and 59 minutes and 60 seconds. That means 365 day, 6 hour, we can call it 6 hour. Okay, so shape of the earth. Okay, now let us see. Okay, the shape of the earth is called geoid. Okay, we all know that earth, and like when we take a look on a map or any of the picture that is displayed in your books or in like sometimes in videos, you all see that earth looks totally round. But let me tell you that earth is not round in shape, it is not circular in shape. In fact, earth is somewhat like orange in shape. Okay, earth is oval in shape. Okay, nowadays most of the people or most of the scientists, they say that earth's shape is like an orange. Okay, orange, orange, orange. So shape of the earth is also called geoid. And the science, okay, the science which deals with the measurement of the earth is called geodesy. The science which deals about the measurement of the earth is called geodesy. So motions of the earth. Okay, so the earth is constantly in motions. Okay? Not only earth, other planets, they are also in constantly, they are constantly in motions. They, like the earth, they keeps on moving. The planets, the earth, they always keeps on moving. Okay, the earth, it always keeps on moving. Some kind of motion is always taken by the earth. And uh, two special, okay, two very important kind of motions of the earth is rotation and revolution. I've been telling you this thing time and again. I hope you all know that. Okay, okay, the motion causes many changes. So the two kind of motion, that is rotation and revolution, taken, that is of the earth. Okay, the two kind of motions of the earth, that is rotation and revolution. So these two kind of motions brings many kind of changes. Okay, brings many kind of changes in the earth. Okay, like for example, we all are very familiar with the day and night. Okay, occurrence of the day and night. So this day and night, happenings of the day and night, why there is day and night? So this day and night is all because of the motions of the earth. And we see change in seasons. We see change in seasons, like we also go through winter season. We in a year, a single year, we go through winter season, we go through summer season, we go through rainy season. So these changes of season is also all because of motions of the earth. So now let us see what is rotation. Okay, so I have already told you that rotation is uh, a movement of earth. It is a spin. When the earth spin on its axis, that particular motion is called rotation. And earth rotates in which position? It rotates in anti-clockwise direction. It rotates in anti-clockwise direction. So here in the picture you all can see, so anti-clockwise, not clockwise, in anti-clockwise directions the earth spins. Okay, and the time taken by the earth to spin, to keep one rotation, to to spin 360 degree is 23 hour 56 minute. 23 hour 56 minute. Okay, the cause of the day and night is rotation. Okay, the day and night, why is there day and night? So why is there day and night? The day and night is all because of a rotation. Okay, when the earth rotates or when the earth spins, it causes day and night. How rotation period is calculated? Now let us see how the rotation period is calculated. Okay, the rotation period of the earth is calculated in two ways. Okay, one is the rotation period is calculated in two ways. One is with reference to the position of the star. Okay, and another is with reference to the position of the sun. Okay, so when the rotation is calculated, with the reference to the position of the sun, then it is called solar day. And the time period, okay, that time period taken by the earth with reference to the solar day is 24 hour. Okay, and the when the rotation of the earth is calculated with reference to the star, then it is called sidereal day. Okay, then it is called sidereal day. And the time period of sidereal day is 23 hour 56 minute, which is appropriate one. Okay, so the time period of sidereal and solar day is different because earth positions keeps on changing with reference to sun, whereas earth's position is fixed with reference to star. So that's the reason why 23 hour 56 minute is taken as exact time taken by the earth to give one rotation. So let us now know about revolution. Okay, so another motions of the earth is revolution. So when the earth moves around the sun, it is called revolution. The earth moves around the sun on a fixed path known as orbit. The orbit is not in circular in shape. The earth moves around the sun, the orbit is not circular, but it is in elliptical in shape. So earth moves around the sun in anti-clockwise direction. You all can see in the picture out there, the earth moves around the sun in anti-clockwise direction. The time taken by the earth to give one full rotation is 365 degree 5 hour 59 minute. That means we can say the earth taken the time taken by the earth to give one revolution is 365 days and 6 hours. Revolution of earth causes change in season. Revolution of earth causes change in length of day and night. You I think you all have noticed the thing that sometimes you experience long day as compared to night, and sometimes you experience long night as compared to day. So this all is happening all because of the revolution of the earth. And you all have experienced the change in season as well. So you know the change in season is also happening all because of the revolution of the earth. And I hope you all know about the leap year. Okay, the leap year consists of 366 days. So this leap year is also all because of the revolution. Okay, so you know the time taken by the earth to take one revolution is 365 day and 6 hour. Okay, but then in a calendar we all live 6 hour, and we only count 365 days as 1 year. But sometimes we also see in the calendar that there is 366 days, 366 days. So when in the calendar or in a one particular year there's 360 days, 366 days, then we call it leap year. And from where that one day is one day came from? So that one day came from after came after adding 6 hour of 4 years. So after 4 consecutive year, uh, the leap year the leap year happens. Okay, so leap year have 366 days, and the additional one day is added in the month of February. That means 29 and days. Okay, in leap year, in the month of February there's 29 days, and in uh, in normal year, okay, in other year there is 28 days in February. So let me explain you again how leap year is counted. Leap year is counted. Okay, how leap year is counted, let me explain you again. Okay, so you know the revolution. Okay, the time taken by the earth to take one revolution is 365 days and 6 hour. Okay, 365 days and 6 hour. The time taken by the earth to take one revolution is 365 days and 6 hours. 365 days and 6 hour. Okay, so but then we when we calculate a year, okay, you know, like in a year we all know that there's 365 days. And where is 6 hour? Where is 6 hour? Okay, in a 1 year there's only 365 days, but then we do not count remaining 6 hour. Okay, so after 4 years, okay, this 6 hour is counted. Okay, that means, you know, like in a year there's 365 days and 6 hour is now not counted. In a normal year there's only 365 days, and you know, like the 6 hour of 4 year. Okay, the 6 hour of 4 year, 6 plus 6 plus 6 becomes 12, and 12 plus 12 becomes 24, isn't it? 6 into 12 becomes 24. That means 6 in 6 into 4 becomes 24. Okay, 6 into 4 becomes 24. That means 24 means, that means one day. 24 means 24 hour means one day. 6 hour plus 6 hour plus 6 hour plus 6 hour becomes 24 hour. That means it is one day. So this one day, okay, after calculating 4 6, okay, 6 hour of 4 year will be one day. So after 4 year, okay, after 4 year, okay, after 4 year, instead of 365 days, okay, after 4 year, instead of instead of 365 days, okay, after 4 year there will be 366 days after counting 24 hour. Okay, after counting 24, after adding 24 hour, that means after adding one day, 365 will become 366 day after 4 year. Okay, so when the year consists of 366 days, it will become leap year, it will become leap year. Okay, when the when in a year there is 366 days, it will become a leap year. That particular year is called leap year. Okay, and where is in which month that one particular day, okay, in which month one day is counted. Okay, so that particular one day, after adding 6 hour for 6 hour, okay, that particular one day is added in the month of February. Okay, so in the month of February, that one particular day is added, making it 29 days. Okay, so in a leap year, okay, in the leap year, in the month of February, okay, have 29 days. Okay, so I hope you all understood what is leap year now. So revolution also, uh, because of revolution there is also leap year. Okay, so now let us understand the what is equinox, what is solstice, and what is, okay, what is equinox and what is solstice. Okay, so equinox, okay, so when the earth is positioned in a such way that the ray of the sun is vertically overhead of the equator. Okay, when the sun is vertically over the equator. Okay, and such kind of position is called equinox, and there is two equinox, that is 21st March and 23rd December. So on this particular equinox, 21st March and 23rd December, the day and night is equal in whole earth. Okay, I hope you all understood. So equinox is nothing but it is a position of the earth. Okay, and what kind of position is equinox? Okay, on equinox, equinox, the position of the earth is in such a way that the ray of the sun falls directly over the equator. Okay, and when the sun falls over the equator, sun rays falls over the equator, the day and night, the length of the day and night becomes equal all over the world. So that particular position is called, position of the earth is called equinox. And uh, which is the day when there is equal day and equal night, which is the day of equinox, that is 21st March and 23rd September. Okay, now let us understand what is solstice. Okay, so solstice is also a position of the earth. So there's two kind of solstice, that is summer solstice and winter solstice. Okay, so let us see what is summer solstice. Okay, so on 21st June, okay, on 21st June, a ray of the sun falls directly over the Tropic of Cancer. That means Tropic of Cancer means in the northern hemisphere. Okay, so on 21st June, sun ray falls directly over the Tropic of Cancer, as the North Pole is maximally inclined towards the sun. At this time, the day, okay, the day in the North Pole and the North Pole experiences longest day and shortest night. At this time, North Pole experiences summer and South Pole experiences winter season. Okay, so in what happens in summer solstice? Okay, so during summer solstice, uh, that is in 21st June. Okay, that is in 21st June, the uh, the northern pole is inclined. Okay, the northern pole, as compared to southern pole, the northern pole is maximally inclined towards the sun, and so and the ray of the sun falls directly over the Tropic of Cancer. So on this day, okay, that is on 21st June. Okay, on this day, on this on this day, the the length of the day is longer in northern hemisphere, and length of the night is shorter, and in southern hemisphere length of the night is longer, and length of the day is shorter. Okay, and in northern hemisphere, uh, the northern hemisphere will be experiencing summer, and southern hemisphere will be experiencing winter season. So 21st June is summer solstice. And in winter solstice, okay, on winter solstice, the position of the earth is such that the southern hemisphere is maximally inclined towards the sun. So because of that, the ray of the sun falls directly over the tropic of Capricorn. So because of this position, okay, this particular position is called summer solstice. This happens on 22nd December. This position happens on 22nd December. So on this particular day, okay, because of its position, the northern hemisphere experiences longest night and shortest day, whereas southern hemisphere experiences longest day and shortest night. And southern mm, hemisphere experiences uh, summer season, and northern hemisphere will experience winter season on 22nd December. So this is the reason, because of these two position, winter solstice and summer solstice, that is the position in 22nd December and 21st June. Okay, because of these two position, some of the country, okay, some of the country, they celebrate uh, Christmas in summer season. Like for example, Australia celebrate Christmas in winter season, New Zealand celebrate Christmas in winter season, South Africa experience celebrate Christmas in winter season. So this is the position of during the equinox and the solstice. So vernal equinox and uh, autumnal equinox. Vernal equinox happens in the day of, okay, autumnal equinox happens in the day of 23rd September, and 21st March is vernal equinox, and summer solstice is 21st June, and 22nd December is winter solstice. So I hope you all understood today's lesson. So thank you viewers for watching my video, and I hope you all will subscribe my channel and like my video as well. Thank you.